In this short video, I want to talk with you how to register account V3Tools. First, we can see the V3Tools tab and click the license and info. And we click login account. And if you have account, you can log in by two tab. And if you have not, you can see register and click here. And the first, we choose a name. Maybe I choose a name TT to and you click the email. And you have a number phone. And create a new password. And confirm password. If you know how to guide a video, you can see click YouTube and you can see the video to guide a registration for this account V3Tools. And I click accept. And after that, you can see the form so registration successful, and you can check your email, and I click OK, and the V3Tools send to you your email. Okay, let me check, and you can see the email sent to you. And you have to reach OTP 2067 and click accept. This is successful to register, and you can see the remain date 30 days. And you can click function feature and its ring is okay.